My name is Stephanie of All About Ami. I think my primary love is still crochet because I love amigurumi so much, and I feel like it's easier to create three-dimensional shapes with crochet. So when I was first starting out, I just went through many different patterns. I kept challenging myself, working through other people's patterns, and once I got the skills down, then I had the confidence to design items for myself. My favorite Lion Brand yarn is 24/7 cotton. I love how it's mercerized, so it has a beautiful sheen to it, and when I work it up, it doesn't pill, it doesn't fuzz, and it's so versatile because you can use it year-round. You can use it for wearable items, you can use it for household items. I've used it for amigurumi. It's such a beautiful, versatile yarn. I used the base pattern for my Regency reticule and made this amigurumi pineapple purse. So this is cotton bamboo, and as you can see, it's so beautiful how it doesn't fuzz up. And he's very cute with his little floppy leaves when you open him up. You can store your essentials. I know a lot of people have loved making this for their children, and they can embroider different facial expressions, so this is a really fun portable project too.